When adding these two rational expressions, we need common denominators. Before we know what that is, we have to factor this so that way we know what our LCD needs to be. All right, so let's start out with this problem. We'll start out here by factoring the bottom. So I have two numbers that multiply to make 12 that add to be 4. That's going to be 2 and 6. So I want the 6 to be positive and the 2 to be negative there. That way it adds up to a positive 4. Okay, so that's the first one that I have. Next, 4x plus 5 I have on top here. And the bottom, that's a difference of squares. I have x minus 2, x plus 2. So I want to find, now that I have this, I need to find my LCD. It's going to be made up of everything that you see here. So I know it's going to be x minus 2, x plus 2. So x minus 2, x plus 2. We also need x plus 6. So that's my LCD. We're going to multiply each one by what it's missing in order to get the LCD. So the first one, I have 9x plus 7. I have these two, x minus 2, x plus 6. So I have those. But what I'm missing is the x plus 2, top and bottom. Okay, so I'll multiply that by x plus 2 over x plus 2, a power of 1. So I'm not changing the problem by doing that. The next one has the x minus 2, x plus 2, but it's missing x plus 6. So I'll multiply this top and bottom by x plus 6 over x plus 6. Okay, so now it's time to multiply across. Okay, and on the bottom, I'll always keep that in the factored form. And the top, I'm going to multiply and do a FOIL. 9x times x is 9x squared. And then I have 9x times 2 is 18. So I have 18 plus 7 is going to be a 25x. And then 7 times 2 is 14. So I have that. The next one, I'm going to FOIL this one out. Of course, the bottom one, I'm going to keep exactly the same. It's my common denominator. The order doesn't matter which you display that. I'll just display them all, both of them in the same order. On top, we multiply this. 4x times x is 4x squared. And then I have a 24 plus 5 is a 29x plus 30. So I see here that both of these now will have the common denominator that we're looking for. Okay, so we're now ready to combine all these terms together. We're going to add the like terms together. 9x and 4x is going to be 13x squared there. And then I'm going to add the 25x and the 29x there. And that's going to be a 54x. And then I got a 14 and a 30 there. And that's going to be a 44. On the bottom, I still have x minus 2, x plus 6, x plus 2 we have there. And this is actually going to be something that you don't have to worry about trying to factor something like this, but you'll find that actually it doesn't factor anyway as it is. If we do 13 times 44 and try and go through all the combinations, that does not work to give you anything that adds up to 54. So you just leave your answer just like that.